What I understood from the question is, how do you differentiate between a dream which is permitted in Islam and a dream which is not permitted in Islam? Number one, a dream that comes to you is involuntary. So nothing can we say a dream is permitted or not permitted. You can say the dream which is good or which is bad. But saying is it permitted or not permitted, dream is involuntary. I am a medical doctor. So you dream involuntary. So if you dream something involuntary, it is not under your control. So whatever dream you get, you cannot say that it is haram to get or not. What you can say, is this dream good or is it bad? So to know the dream is good or bad, Allah says, s.a.w zikri in kuntum la ta'lamun. In Surah Nahl chapter 16 verse 43 and Surah Anbiya chapter 21 verse number 7, ask the person who is expert. So we have in our ummah who are specialists in interpreting dreams, in dream interpretation. So when you have a dream, if you want to know, you have to go to a specialist in dream. A person who is a specialist in interpreting dreams. And then he will be able to guide you. And we have the example in the Quran of Yusuf alayhi salam. He was an expert in interpreting dreams. So you have to go to an expert and he will tell you whether the dream is good or bad or what does it indicate. Hope that answers the question.